Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Arc Raiders on your computer and you keep getting this crash, the application has encountered an unexpected error, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your Arc Raiders easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Explorer, you're going to go onto your C drive, go into Program Files 86. Here you'll have this folder called easy anti-cheat underscore EOS. Open it up and then you'll have a lot of files here. Ignore those. Just delete this file called easyanticheat.sys or just delete this folder altogether. Don't worry, this will reinstall once you restart your computer. So now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, you're going to open up your games platform and try to play Arc Raiders, and it will reinstall the easy anti-cheat, and you'll see that it will install all of those critical files that we just deleted, and then you will be able to play Arc Raiders on your computer. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.